Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a budget in QuickBooks. This easy process will help you manage your finances efficiently and plan ahead with confidence. First, open your web browser and go to QuickBooks Online. Look for the Sign In button in the top right corner and click on it. Enter your registered email and password to access your account. If you've forgotten your credentials, QuickBooks provides options to recover your login details. Once signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard, which gives you access to all the QuickBooks features. Next, navigate to the Budget section. You can find it in the main menu or via a direct link highlighted on your screen. Once inside, click Create Budget to start setting up a new budget. Here you'll decide the type of budget you want to create, monthly, quarterly, or annual, depending on what works best for your needs. Click Next after making your selection. Now select the period for your budget. This is important to align your budgeting with your financial cycle, whether for personal or business use. After setting the period, click Next again to move to the most crucial step: adding your budget per category. QuickBooks lets you allocate funds to different categories like office supplies, utilities, marketing, and more. Be as detailed as possible to reflect your anticipated spending accurately. This breakdown will give you a clear overview of where your money will go and help you stay on track financially. Finally, don't forget to save your budget by clicking the Save button at the bottom of the screen. Once saved, your new budget is ready to be put into action. Remember to review and adjust your budget regularly to keep it aligned with your financial goals. And that's it. You've successfully created a budget in QuickBooks. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy budgeting!